What's going on, family? How is everybody doing? I hope everybody is good. Welcome back to another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and make sure that your notification bell is on, and you'll be notified every time we upload a video. So, on today's menu, I'm making some dessert for you guys. And this is the easiest cake you're probably gonna ever make. It is called the I call it Ooey Gooey Butter Cake, but I think the recipe just calls it the gooey butter cake. It's a yellow cake mix. I got Betty Crocker. You can get Duncan Hines, whatever you want to do. It's gonna need some butter. You're gonna need eggs, some cream cheese. You're gonna need confectioner's sugar. You're also going to need some vanilla flavoring right here. And you're also gonna need a baking pan, which I'm using a glass dish. That seems to be work better. Just a glass dish that's gonna be sprayed with Pam or some type of a cooking oil. That's what I'm gonna spray it with, okay? So, those are your ingredients for your gooey butter cake. Let's go ahead and put this thing together. So we are back, getting ready to get this gooey butter cake started. I've got my yellow cake mix right here. We're not gonna follow the directions on the box, so there it is there. I have the 1 stick of butter. We melted it. So here's your 1 stick of butter right here that we're gonna be adding to, and it's still kind of warm. We're gonna add this to the mix. And we're also going to add 1 egg. Eggs in here. Try to put it on the side where the butter is not so warm. And then we're just gonna mix this together with our mixer. And what you're looking for is kind of like a soft dough. That's what this is going to create, a soft dough. You want to make sure you get it well incorporated. And that right there is what you're looking for, right there. That's what you want. I'm gonna get the rest of this off of here. All right, so we have mixed up our cake mix, 1 egg and 1 stick of butter, melted butter. We're gonna go ahead and spray our pan. Make sure that it's sprayed really well. And what we're gonna do is press out the dough that we just used, that we just mixed up. We're gonna press that out. Into this pan, like so. And all you wanna do is just press it out like this. You wanna cover the bottom because this is the base of your cake. Make sure you get it as even as you can. So this recipe is kind of in two parts. This is the first part of it, right here. I'm just trying to get it even. And then that's about it. That's it right there. That's what you want. That's what you want that to look like. So I'm gonna put this to the side. We're gonna grab the next bowl. And the next thing that we're gonna be doing is we're going to add our cream cheese to this bowl. Try to make sure everything is room temperature as much as possible. Open up this, just 1 8-ounce bar of cream cheese. We put our 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese into this bowl, and we're just going to mix it and fluff it up just a little bit. We're gonna add our 2 eggs. 2 eggs. That's a flub. We should have had the camera on there. Didn't do that. Gonna add our other egg in. Gonna add in a tablespoon or so of vanilla. Mix it up. And what you're doing at this point is you're making the filling. So we've already made the base, and this is the filling. The next thing you're gonna do is, the recipe calls for like 1 box of confectioner sugar. I don't want it to be that sweet. So I just kind of eyeball it and pour in what I need of the powdered sugar, confectioner sugar, powdered sugar. Same difference. So I'm just kind of eyeball it, and I might have a cup to 2 cups that I include in there. Nothing like, I'm not putting this whole bag in there. I'm not doing that. And then we're just gonna mix this up with some butter. Now this butter is still a little warm, but it'll be okay. We're gonna go ahead and just drizzle it in, give it a mix, drizzle in some more. And as you can see how nice and smooth that's getting. We're gonna drizzle into our base. And all you want to do is take your filling and pour it into your base. And you just want to spread it around just as you did with the base, and just make sure it's nice and even. We are back with our Ooey Gooey Butter Cake, and this is what it looks like after it has been cooked and cooled down all the way down. It's cooked. I mean, it's cool. So I want to cut into it. I'm just going to use this butter knife. Oh my God, y'all see the little messiness? You want that. Trust me, it's done. So I'm gonna just take some from the middle. So you can see. Oh, I probably didn't cut it enough right here. See what it looks like. Oh my goodness. There is your Ooey Gooey Butter Cake. Looks delicious. Serve this up with some ice cream or a good cold glass of milk, and you've done it. So if you want to see more recipes like this, you know what you got to do. Click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, make sure that you are notified every time we upload one of our wonderful recipes, and we will see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda.